this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf again, and I have a very useful book. I've dog-eared it, I've tore it up, I bought new ones. It's another Ayoob book. It's called the Ayoob Files. And basically, this book is a case study of different gunfights. North Hollywood, Les Davis, Rich Davis, a whole bunch of them here. I'll just go to the chapter, go to the book. Newhall Massacre, Ken Cause, Helen Weathers, all these different gunfights that happened, goes through them step by step. This is what caused it, this is what happened during, this is what happened after, and what I like about it, what you can learn from it, okay? These there are a lot of statistical gunfights in here. There's a lot of gunfights that don't meet the statistics. Each one of these lessons, each one of these stories, each one of these chapters gives you a takeaway lesson that you need to know as an armed citizen. This is one of those books that I've read over and over and over, and when I teach a class, and it's not part of my curriculum per se, but a student will ask a question, I'll say, here's a situation, and I'll reference the book, so I'm not plagiarizing or anything, but I say, in the Ayoob Files, they talked about, Rodney King or whatever, and this is what happened, or this is where this guy got shot in the head with a .22, and whatever, and I'll give them the lesson out of the book here, and say, and if you want to read more about it, then this is a good book to get, because this is one of those things where it gives you that continuing education that you're going to need as an armed citizen. I don't agree with everything that Ayoob has ever said, but this book right here, worth getting, okay? And not only is it very well written and gives you a lot of good information, it's also kind of, I guess it's kind of, dark, but I enjoyed reading it. It was easy to read. It was an enjoyable read. So there you go. You ought to get it if you're going to carry a gun. The Ayoob Files by Ayoob. Till next time, you can always catch us online, prepperbookshelf.com. Thanks.